Hi, Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel. How to create a table in just 1 minute? First, place a cube, rescale it to make it a tabletop. After that, in top view, hold right click, go to object mode. While you are in object mode, go to attribute editor and in Polycube 1, change the subdivision width into 22 and subdivision depth in 12. To make a leg, so highlight the desired faces that you want here. While you are in move tool, hold shift and then extrude. And here you go. We have a simple model of table.